Hello everyone, this is Tejashwi and today we are going to discuss about the topic data mining and data warehousing. Before going into the topic, let us know what is data mining and data warehousing. Data mining, it is a process of determining data patterns. It is generally considered as the process of extracting useful data from a large set of data. Data mining, this is a process of sorting through large data sets to identify some required patterns and relationships that can help solve business problems through data analysis. Business entrepreneurs carry data mining with the help of engineers. In data mining, data is analyzed repeatedly. Data mining techniques and tools enable enterprises to predict future trends and make more informed business decisions. First, one of the most amazing data mining technique is the detection and identification of the unwanted errors that occur in the system. These data mining techniques are cost efficient as compared to the other statistical data applications. These data mining techniques are not 100% accurate. It may have some errors, but these errors doesn't lead to serious consequences in certain conditions. Companies can benefit from this analytical tool by equipping suitable and accessible knowledge-based data. Next comes the topic data warehouse. A data warehouse can be defined as the collection of organizational data and information extracted from operational sources and external data sources. Data warehousing is a process of combining all the relevant data. Data warehousing is entirely carried out by the engineers. In data warehousing, data is stored periodically. Data warehousing is the process of extracting and storing data that allow easier reporting. So, one of the advantage of this data warehouse is its ability to update frequently. That is the reason why it is ideal for business entrepreneurs who want to update with the latest stuff. Data warehouse stores a huge amount of historical data that helps users to analyze different periods and trends to make future predictions. Here, when we see the diagram, different types of data like Oracle, SQL Server, and flat file, they are extracted and then they are stored in a staging area which is then loaded into the data warehouse. So the data warehouse is periodically pulled from various internal applications like sales, marketing, finance, customer interface applications, as well as external partner systems. This data is then made available for decision makers to access and then analyze. Next comes the topic multidimensional model. The multidimensional data model is a method which is used for ordering data in the database along with good arrangement and assembling of the contents in the database. The multidimensional data model allows customers to interrogate analytical questions associated with market or business trends. Unlike relational databases, which allow customers to access data in the form of queries, they allow users to rapidly receive answers to the requests which they made by creating and examining the data comparatively fast. Here, OLAP and data warehousing uses multidimensional databases. It is used to show multiple dimensions of the data to users. It represents the data in the form of data cubes. Data cubes allow to model and view the data from many dimensions and perspectives. It is defined by dimensions and facts and is represented by the fact table. Facts are numerical measures and fact tables contain measures of the related dimensional tables or names of the facts. Here, if we observe the diagram, they have given different machines like television, refrigerator, washing machine in different quarters at different locations. The cost of each machine at different locations differs in each quarters of time. This data can be maintained by using the multidimensional data model. Let us get a clear view of this multidimensional data model by taking an example. Example. Let us take the example of a frame. The revenue cost of a frame can be recognized on the basis of different factors such as geographical location of frame's workplace, products of the frame, advertisements done, time utilized to flourish a product, etc. Here in the diagram, the cost of revenue is divided into four categories like products, time, advertisement, geography, where the firm invested the cost in four different parts. So this can be taken as an example for a multi-dimensional data model. Next comes the topic OLAP and OLTP. First, let us know what is OLAP. OLAP stands for Online Analytical Processing. It is used for analysis of database information from multiple database systems at one time, such as sales analysis and forecasting, market research, budgeting, and etc. Data warehouse is the example of OLAP system. Let us know some of the uses of OLAP system. Spotify analyzes songs by users to come up with a personalized homepage of their songs and playlist. Netflix movie recommendation system are some of the uses of OLAP. In other words, we can say this OLAP will say what will happen in the future. It's like a future tense. Next, coming to OLTP, which stands for Online Transactional Processing. This provides transaction-oriented application in a three-tier architecture. OLTP administers the day-to-day transactions of an organization. It is used for maintaining all the online transactions and record integrity in multiple access environments. OLTP is a system that manages very large number of short online transactions. For example, ATM. Let us know more uses of this OLTP. As we said, ATM is an OLTP application. Along with it, OLTP handles the asset properties during data transactions via the application. It is also used for online banking, online airline ticket booking, sending a text message, add a book to the shopping cart, and many ways. Let us see some of the differences between OLAP and OLTP. The basic difference between these two is OLAP is used for data analysis where OLTP is used to manage very large number of online short transactions. The data type of OLAP is data warehouse where OLTP uses traditional DBMS, which is database management system. The data modification in OLAP manages all insert, update and delete transactions where OLTP is mainly used for data reading. The response time of OLAP is little slow, but OLTP response time is in milliseconds. So, OLTP is comparatively fast than OLAP. Normalization. Tables in OLAP database are not normalized, where OLTP tables are normalized. So that's all about this OLAP and OLTP. Thank you everyone.